show you this really cool setting. It's called Assistive Touch, and it's very helpful if you have a broken lock or home button. Basically, you're gonna access settings. Once you go to settings, you're gonna scroll till you see general. Once you see general, you're gonna scroll all the way down till you see accessibility. Once you see accessibility, you're gonna click it and scroll all the way down until you see Assistive Touch. Once you see Assistive Touch, you're gonna turn it on, and you'll notice that a white circle with a black square background will come up on like the corner of your screen. You then can move it around however you like, and keep watching for the cool features and effects that Assistive Touch provides.